Hello students, previous class you have studied the theorems. Once again repeating the as a formula, that is vector equation of the line and plane. First is formula is the vector equation of the straight line passing through the points A of A and parallel to B bar is R bar is equal to A plus T bar comma T comma R, where T is belongs to R. And Cartesian form is, you will know about that, the x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to z minus z1 by N, where A is equal to x1 y1 z1, B is equal to L mn. Okay, first one is completed. Second one you can observe here. The vector equation of the line through the passing through the A of A bar and B of B bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus T A bar plus T into B bar, where T belongs to R. That is, the Cartesian form is A bar is equal to x1 y1 z1, B bar is equal to x2 y2 z2. That is, you can write here these are 2 points, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. The second one is. Third one is the vector equation of the plane passing through the points A of A and parallel to the two vectors, that is B bar and C bar, is R bar is equal to A plus T B bar plus S into C bar, T comma S belongs to R. And last fourth one is the equation of the plane passing through the points A of A, B of B and parallel to the vector C bar is R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar plus S into C bar, where T comma S belongs to R. This is the fourth. And condition of the fifth one is the equation of the plane passing through the three non-collinear points is A of A bar, B of B bar, C of C bar is, you can write here R bar is equal to 1 minus T minus S into A bar plus T into B bar, S into C bar, T comma S belongs to R. And sixth one is 3 points of A comma A bar, B of B bar and C of C bar are collinear if and only if there exist scalars x comma y comma z is not zeros, such that x of A bar plus y into B bar plus z into C bar is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Sixth one. Same as this seventh one is 4 points here. 4 points of A bar, B of B bar, C of C bar and D of D bar points coplanar if and only if there exist scalars x comma y comma z and u not all zeros, such that xa plus yb plus zc plus 4ud is equal to 0 and x plus y plus z is equal to 0. This is the concept of the line and plane equations. Next, consider one example is in the 2 dimension of the plane. Prove by using the vectors method the equation of the line whose intercept on the axis A and B is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. You have to prove x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Then let A of is A comma 0. It intersect the axis is A is the x axis and y is a B is a y axis. Therefore, you can write here points is let A is equal to A comma 0 and B is equal to 0 comma B. Therefore, is vector form or OA or A is equal to A of I plus 0 j and B is 0 I plus bj. The equation of the line passing through the A and B. Therefore, what the formula is? Formula is nothing but R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar. Okay? R bar is equal to 1 minus T into A bar plus T into B bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to 1 minus T. A is nothing but A of I. Therefore, you can write here A of I plus T into B of j. You can again R bar is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk. You know about that is R bar is equal to, but you can write here, but R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore, you can see, replace here R bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 1 minus T into A of I plus T into bj. You can simplify what will get here. And LHS and RHS you can observe here. It is I terms and j terms and k terms is 0. And here x, y, z. You can comparing x to I terms. What happens, that is x is equal to 1 minus T into A and j terms is y is equal to it is tb. Therefore our equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You have to show that. Therefore x by a, I am taking the x by a and plus y by b in LHS. X by a plus y by b. X is nothing but 1 minus t into a by a as it is, plus y is nothing but tb by b. It is b get cancel. Here a get cancel. Remaining is 1 minus t plus t. Therefore t minus t get cancel. You got your x minus a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation. Next, continuation of the question. Show that the line joining of the pair of the points, 2 points is given, 6a minus 4b plus 4c comma minus 4c. These 2 points, and the line joining of the pair of the points, another line is, this is one line, this is another line, minus a minus 2b minus 3c comma a plus 2b minus 5c intersect at the point of minus 4c. You have to show that the 2 lines are intersected at the minus 4c where ABC are non-coplanar vectors. Solution, observe here. Equation of the line passing through the 2 points. Equation of the line joining the first pair of points. What is the first pair of points is? Listen here. These are 2 pair of points. This is. Therefore I can write here x 6a minus 4b plus 4c comma minus 4c. How can I write here? Passing through the 2 points, this formula is, I can write here, r bar is equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus t into b bar. Don't confuse here. This is a vector, is a equation points another. This is a formula is 1 minus t into a bar plus t into b bar. Therefore r bar is equal to as it is 1 minus t. A bar is nothing but first point is 6a minus 4b plus 4c plus t into minus 4c. Here you can write here a bar and b bar and c bar. How can I write here? First you can write here 6 into 1 minus t into a bar and minus 4 into 1 minus t into b bar and 4 into 1 minus t into c bar. Once again listen, 6 into 1 minus t is a bar first, minus 4 is there for 4, minus 4 into 1 minus t b bar and 4 into 1 minus t into c bar plus I can write here minus 4t c bar. Can multiply with the minus 4t c bar. Once again this is, I can write here 6 minus 6t of a bar. This clear? And b bar is only one term is there, therefore I can write here, you can multiply, you can get the minus half minus plus 4t minus 4, you can minus 4 minus half minus plus 4t minus 4 b bar. T is nothing but listen here, c bar is, you can write here first 4 into 1 minus t into minus 4t. Here also we have the minus 4t into c bar. Okay, 4 minus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 4t, this is also minus 4t c bar. R bar is equal to 6 minus 6t into a bar plus 4t minus 4 a bar. This can be written as 4 minus 8t c bar. This is, you can assume, equation number 1. Okay. Listen once again. Question is, first pair points is completed. 6a minus 4b plus 4c comma 4c, the line equation. Similarly, you can find the another line equation of minus a plus 2b minus 3c, a plus 2b minus 5c. Using these 2 points, find the line equation. Here also you can write here equation of the line joining the second pair of points. What is the second pair of points is? Listen here. Minus a minus 2b minus 3c. Therefore, I can write here minus a minus 2b minus 3c comma a plus 2b minus 5c in given question is. Therefore, you can write the equation as this. R bar is equal to, already you can take here t, therefore another take the another constant is 1 minus s into a bar plus s into b bar. Is nothing but formula. R bar is equal to 1 minus s into a bar is nothing but first point is minus a minus 2b minus 3c plus s into again this is a plus 2b minus 5c. Okay, clear? You can simplify, you get the second equation. Same form of a, b, c. Okay? Listen. Then multiply first is r bar is equal to, can multiply with minus of minus 1, or I can write here s minus 1 a bar plus again 2s, because minus of minus plus 2s minus 1 b bar, again 3s minus 3 I can write here into c bar. This clear? Once again listen. Minus of minus plus, therefore s 1 into s, minus 1 is minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus 2 into minus s, you can write here 2s, minus 1 as this, minus 2, sorry, minus 2, here minus 3, minus of minus plus 3s minus 3 c bar is equal to, and sorry, and a bar into s, or you can write here s into a bar, 2s b bar minus 5s c bar, 5s c bar. R bar is equal to a bar terms, you can write here s minus 1 plus s is a bar, s minus 1, here 1 only s, and b bar is equal to 2s minus 2 plus 2s. C bar is equal to nothing but 3s minus 3 minus 5c, c bar. Last steps you can observe here, R bar is equal to 2s minus 1 a bar, 4s minus 2 b bar, and last one is minus 2s minus 3 c bar. You can call this as second equation. Okay, first equation is 6 minus 60 of a bar plus 40 minus 4 b bar, 4 minus 80 c bar, and second one is line equation is a bar, R bar is equal to 2s minus a bar, 4s minus 2 b bar minus 2s minus 3 c bar. Next is from equation 1 to intercept the one point is, you have to show that the intercept of the point is minus 4c. Therefore, from, once again I am writing here equations 1 and 2. What is the 1 and 2? repeating, 6 minus 60 of a bar plus 40 minus 4 b bar plus 4 minus 80 c bar. First equation. Second equation is 2s minus 1 into a bar plus 4s minus 2 b bar minus 2s minus 3 c bar. These two equations, you can compare here a, b, c terms. What will get here? From 1 and 2 we have comparing the a and b and c. 6 minus 60 is equal to 2s minus 1. These are one a terms, okay. 6 minus 60 is equal to 2s minus 1. And second one is 40 minus 4 is equal to 4s minus 2. And third one is 4 minus 80 is equal to minus 2s minus 3. Here only t comma s is there, therefore you can take any two equations and solve them and substitute the another third one. You get the simplify, you get the same, the intercept the equation, okay, intercept the line equation. Therefore I can take the equation 1, this is 2, 3. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. How can I write here? 6 minus 2s minus 1 is nothing but 2s. Bring right side, okay, plus 60 plus 6 is nothing but minus 6. You can write here minus 7 is equal to 0. And second one is 40 minus 4 is equal to 4s minus 2. Bring and left side you can write here, right side you can write here. Bring this side, 4s minus 40 is nothing but minus 2 plus 2 is nothing but 2 is equal to 0. You can take here 2 common. What happened? That is 2s minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. These two equations you can solve, you get the s and t values. Therefore I can write here 2s plus 60 minus 7 is equal to 0. 2s minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Listen, 2s is there, therefore I can subtract minus plus minus, 2s 2s get cancel. 8t, 60 plus 2t is nothing but plus or minus 1, minus 7 minus 1 is nothing but minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore I can write here 8t is equal to 8 or t is equal to 1 only. You got here t is equal to 1. You can substitute in equation number 1, you get the intercept of the equation number 1. You can substitute here, you get the equation of the 1 only. If t is equal to 1, therefore what the s value is? Observe here. We have 2s minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore you can substitute t is equal to 1. What happens? That is 2s minus 2 of 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, or 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. You got here s is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. You can take any one. T is equal to 1 or s is equal to 1 by 2. You can substitute in equation number 1 or 2. This t is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 by 2. You can substitute in equation number 3. What is the 3 equation is? Listen here. 4 minus 80 is equal to minus 2s minus 3 is. I am taking the third equation. I can write here 4t 40 4 minus 80, sorry, 4 minus 80 is equal to minus 2s minus 3. This can be written as, bring this side, 2s minus 80 plus 7 is equal to 0. 2s minus 80 plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, substitute here. S is equal to, S is nothing but 1 by 2 minus 8. T is nothing but 1 minus 7 plus 7, sorry. E is equal to 0 or not, you can substitute here. Listen here. 2 to get cancel. 1 minus 8 is nothing but minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. It is satisfying third equation. Therefore, the solution is T is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation number 1. What will you get here? You can write here equation number 1. Six minus 60 a bar, 40 minus 4 b bar plus 4 minus 80 c bar. Substitute the t value is 1. 6 minus 6 a bar, 4 t is 1 minus 4 b bar, 4 minus 8 into 1 is nothing but 8 c bar. Therefore, you got here 6 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 cancel, 4 minus 4 get cancel, and 4 minus 8 into c bar is nothing but minus 4 c bar. This is the intercept point. Or in equation number 2, what is equation number 2 is 2s minus 1 into a bar plus 4s minus 2 into b bar plus minus 2s minus 3 into c bar. The equation number 2. Here you can substitute s is equal to 1 by 2. S is equal to 1 by 2. What happened? It is 2 of 1 by 2 minus 1 a bar, 4 into 1 by 2 of minus 2 b bar, minus 2 of 1 by 2 minus 3 into c bar. 2 to get cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are, the remaining is 1 minus 1 a bar. Here also 2 minus 2 b bar plus, what happened? It is minus 1 minus 3 c bar. Therefore, it is minus 1 minus 1 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0, is nothing but minus 4c bar. Therefore, intercept of the point is minus 4c. This is our equation of the form. Okay. Next problem. Find the equation of the line parallel to the vector 2i minus j plus 2k and which passing through the points A, whose position vector is 3i plus j minus k. If P is a point on the line such that AP is equal to 15, find the position vector of P. Listen once again, question is, find the equation of the line parallel to the vector parallel to the 2i minus j plus 2k and passing through the point is A is equal to, position vector is 3i plus j minus k. Then AP is equal is given 15. Then find the position of vector P. The vector equation of the line. The vector equation of the given line is I can write here r bar is equal to a plus t b bar. R bar is equal to a plus t bar. A plus t bar. What is the a bar is? Position vector is, this is 3i plus j minus k, and parallel to the passing through the vector a bar and parallel to the b bar. Therefore formula can apply. R bar is equal to 3i plus j minus k. This is a passing through the vector. Therefore a bar is equal, and parallel to the vector is plus t into b bar is nothing but 2i minus j plus 2k. Since AP is given t scalar, t belongs to R only, okay, and since AP is equal to is given 15, therefore what is the AP you can take here? This is a AP. Therefore t into 2i minus j plus 2k is equal to 15. The distance is given. AP is nothing but distance. Therefore how can write here? Distance is nothing but under root of 2t square and plus minus t whole square plus c term is 2t whole square is equal to 15 is given. Is the distance means under root of x2 minus x1 formula is given. Therefore you can write that is a 2t whole square plus minus t whole square and 2t square. What is remaining? You are getting 4t square plus t square plus 4t square is equal to 15. Is nothing but 4 plus 4 8 1. It is root of 9t square is equal to 15, or I can write here 3t is equal to 15. The plus or minus 3t, because root is there, therefore here, wherefore you can 3 1s are 3 5s are, therefore I can write here t is equal to plus or minus 5. Bring plus or minus this side, what happens? That is plus or minus 5. You got here t is equal to plus or minus 3. You can substitute this in t in equation 1. You get the position vector of the p is only, okay. Therefore OP is equal to, therefore you can substitute here 3i plus j minus k plus t into 2i minus j plus 2k. Substitute t value is plus or minus 5, okay. 3i plus j minus k plus or minus 5 of 2i minus j plus 2k. Plus you can take first plus and minus. What happens? That is 3i plus j minus k plus 5 of 2i minus j plus 2k is 1, and second one is 3i minus j plus j minus k minus 5 of 2i minus j plus 2k. Therefore 3i plus 10, I can write here 13i. It is j minus 5j minus 4j, and this minus 1, this is plus 10, therefore I can write 9k. This is the first, and second one is r 3 minus 10 minus 7i plus j plus 5 plus 6j minus k minus 10. You can write here minus 11k. This is the position vectors of the R bar.